Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. I got quite a bit of PR boxes this week. I just figured I would unbox all of them because I actually don't know what's in a bunch of them, so I'm super excited. I figured I would just show you guys my first impressions and introduce you guys to some new brands that are actually new to me as well. I have never tried any of these brands. So first, I just want to do an unboxing, show you guys, and then I will incorporate them in other videos after I test them out so I can talk to you guys more about them. But I just figured a quick haul PR unboxing would be a cool video to do. Let me know if you like this style of video, if you like me just to do like big PR unboxings, because I can definitely do more of them. So definitely let me know down in the comments. I do have promo codes for pretty much all of these, so I will have promo codes in the description as well as links. I'm not going to go in any particular order, but the first package I'm going to unbox is from Coco Eve. I love the box. That is what the box looks like. First up, we got a little pamphlet that says, "Thank you for your purchase. We are thrilled for your support." Talks a little bit about their company and what they offer. So they have like tanning stuff. They have glow figure, which this is what I am actually going to be trying. I'm so excited. It has like a body mask, body moisture whip, body buffing sugar, smooth on shell scoop, and a jelly massage kit. So there is all of this. This is their tanning stuff. They have this and some hair products as well. Ooh, so we got a box full of goodies. This is body moisture whip. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I love the smell. It's very like tropically fruity but sweet. Oh, I love this. Lychee and dragon fruit scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let me try. Very whipped. Oh, this just like glides on to your skin. This is so good. Wow, that is such an interesting like scent. I've never had a body moisture smell like this, but I love the lychee and dragon fruit scent. It actually smells so good. Oh, and then it just leaves, you can see my hands are very hydrated. 10 out of 10 already. Next up, we have the Bali Buffing Sugar. It's also the same scent. Packaging looks the same. Ooh, this one is a nice red. Smells the same. That is what it looks like. And lastly, we have the Bounce Body Mask. Again, lychee and dragon fruit. I love how everything is the same scent. That way you can use it and you just have the same scent profile. Ooh, this one is a pretty green color. Oh, wow. Yep. Smells the same. Delicious. Wow. And it's like a jelly. I don't know if you guys can really see how like jelly this is. I'm definitely excited to try out all of these. I love testing out body care. So instructions: apply a generous layer to the thighs and bottom and allow to dry for 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water to reveal firm, radiant skin. Use once a week in conjunction with the Glow Figure body products for best results. Oh, okay, cool. So you leave it on for 15 minutes. I'm excited to see how that actually works. Got one of these silicone shells. I guess this is to like apply everything. And yes, I wanted one of these. We have a mitt. So this is going to be really good to help the products. You just put your hand in there like I did, and then it helps you just lather all the products in. So all of these products are supposed to help reduce cellulite, and from all the amazing reviews that these guys have on their website, I feel like this could actually work. The whipped moisturizer that I just used, it's been a couple minutes and it's had time to like seep into my skin. It has left it so soft but also moisturized. Like it has gone into my skin, but at the same time it just feels more hydrated and moisturized, and it's also very radiant looking. Moving on, I actually got a package from Finola. I think that's how you pronounce it. A fun fact about them, Becky G actually follows them on Instagram. They were nice enough to send me some of their products. They have like a bunch of hair products. This is the package. It says made in Italy. That is so cute. Oh my god, they printed out a Polaroid of one of my Instagram pictures. Look at that. I love handwritten cards. I love when companies do this. It says, "Hi Alexandra, I'm so excited for you to try Finola. Here's everything you need to maintain beautiful and healthy hair. Love, Tina." If you guys don't know, I keep all my handwritten notes like in one spot because I absolutely love when companies just take the time to do that. And this is everything that is inside. Oh my gosh, where do I start? Let's start with this. This is the Keratin Hair Ritual Hair Mask. Ooh, this is it. We've got a nice size product. They asked like what kind of hair concerns I had, and I straighten my hair a lot. If you guys don't know, I have naturally like wavy hair, so I do straighten it a lot, and so I like to keep my scalp hydrated because I put heat on it a lot. And then also I am moving my side part. I used to have a side part. I'm trying to get it more in the middle, and like my flyaways and baby hairs, trying to train them into that position is a little hard, so I did tell them those were my concerns. This one is an anti-frizz hair mask. I also got a smoothing spray. Oh, I love that. Kind of like cucumbery. It's a nice fresh scent to it. I like it. Next up, we got some leave-in conditioner. I've always wanted to try leave-in conditioner. Enhanced with milk proteins and linseed oil, it carries out a deep hydrating, intense, nourishing, and restructuring action without weighing the hair down. It disciplines and controls the hair, leaving it weightless, soft, easy to manage, and full of shine. Use after shampooing, apply to towel, dried hair, and style as usual. Do not rinse. Ooh. We also have some sort of serum rich in aloe vera and linseed oil. Leave hair shiny and compatible. It repairs split ends, ideal for curly, frizzy, and permed hair. Apply a few drops to clean hair, either dry or damp. Ooh, and this is that. I like the color of it, very interesting. You know what, let's put some in my hair right now actually, just at the tips. Oh, I love the smell of this one actually. It's not too oily. I did put just 2 drops, I didn't put too much. And last 2 products that we have are conditioner and shampoo. So this is purifying shampoo and restructuring conditioner. This one helps reduce dandruff, and this one is hydrating and nourishing actions of its linseed oil. Leaves hair silky, soft, brilliant, and easy to comb. All of these together, honestly, I cannot wait to see how my hair is going to react to me using all of these. I absolutely love taking care of my hair, and all of these products sound amazing so far. That oil alone smells good, and it left my hair, as you can see, super soft. I love that. 10 out of 10 already for this. Thank you guys so much for sending this over. Unsure about who this one is from, but we're gonna open it. This is from the company Sand and Skye. First up, we have the Tasmanian Spring Water Splash Serum. And the second one, we have the Tasmanian Spring Water Hydration Boost Cream. I really wanted to try these out because in the summertime, I start getting more dry, and I've already noticed my skin, especially under eyes, have been starting to get more dry, so I have been trying to incorporate more hydrating products into my skincare. The packaging is beautiful. It's like a light blue. I don't think the camera's catching it, but when the light shines through it, oh, it's beautiful. Love the applicator. So it's just like little drops. Look at that. Just like little drops. This helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dryness for more useful looking skin. It has 2 types of hyaluronic acid to help hydrate. I'm gonna put it closer to like my wrist. Thin texture, as you guys can see. Ooh, it spreads out evenly. It definitely does feel very like waterish like, but it hydrates, sinks into your skin. Doesn't have a scent to it. Wow. Goes into the skin. It does get a little bit tacky, so I assume it's going to need a bit for it to dry completely into the skin. And then we have the Boost Hydration Boost Cream, which this is the packaging. This is a little bit of like a jelly, so similar to the Coco and Eve. Like, you see how jelly this is? We'll put a little bit, just a little, because I feel like this product, a little is gonna go a long way. It's already given me such a nice glow. Super hydrating. It blends out beautifully. Lastly, for today's unboxing, this box is from the company Vanity. So they are an Australian-based company. Wow, I got a bunch of stuff. So first up, we have the Mineral Powder Foundation. And then they also sent me the same one in a different shade. Because it's online, I've never shopped with them, so I didn't really know what shade to get. They were nice enough to send me 2 of them. So I got it in the shade Biscuit and the shade Bear. This is what it looks like. I wanted to test out a mineral powder foundation because this one is a little more lightweight, and now that summer is coming, I like more hydrated, lightweight type makeup. This had really good reviews online also. This is the packaging. It's just rose gold and clear. It's pretty big. So it's just a powder, as you guys can see. Again, I will test these out in a separate video and just see how they hold up. I don't know which one will fit me better actually. Probably a good idea that they sent me both. They also sent this brush. Oh wow, it's a very nice brush. They sent this brush to just apply it. This is the Vanity Kabuki brush. Also sent Liquid Radiance highlighter drops. Again, really want a glowy, nice spring look this year. Ooh. This is in the color Ivory. Comes with an applicator. Wow. Let's try just a little. Do you guys see that? This is definitely glowy. Holy, I like it though. I like the shade too. It looks a little pinky. I like the shade. Look at how glowy that made me. This is more of a pinky tone, so it's gonna look really good. It's gonna be like a blush kind of highlighter look to it. Look at this. And then lastly, what is this? Ready, Set, Glow setting spray. Ooh, this is interesting. Look at that. That is super interesting. Look at this. Look at how it looks in the packaging. That's cool. Look at that. And that is super cool. So that is everything that I got for PR this week. If you guys want little mini updates, I will also update you guys on my Instagram, so make sure you are following me there. I do post updates on my stories. Also, a little sneak peek, the outfit that I am wearing, this dress, it's actually a jean dress. It was sent to me from H&M. So if you haven't seen my H&M PR unboxing, definitely go check that out. It's a good video. I can't believe H&M sent me stuff. Shout out to all the amazing brands and companies that I now get to test out. I'm so excited for that. Definitely subscribe, that way you guys can see me test these out in other videos and tell you my first impressions and all of that. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!